Auntie.
Auntie,
I want to go back to school. All my mates in the school, Auntie. Auntie, I want to go back to school.
Which school are you talking about?
Auntie, no, Auntie, no. Auntie, what of that man that we met on my father's burial, Auntie? Auntie, that money
I think you are trying me in this house. Which money are you talking about? It's not your mate that is in husband's house. It's not your mate.
No, Auntie, no, Auntie, I don't know what you are doing to me, Auntie. Auntie,
you better get inside and find something to do. Get out. Hey, look when you this girl. Eh? Money. Which money? Do you give me any money to keep for you? I am asking you, do you give me any money to keep for you? Tell me about that money again, you will see what I will do to you. Fool.
Hello, Marcy.
Oh, love it.
How are you?
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm okay. And you?
Wow, you're looking so big. You're looking great.
Thank you, Lovette. How about your people? I mean your sisters.
Fine.
Oluchi, Olebube,
Fine.
how are they doing? How about mommy? How is she doing?
Everybody is doing well. Everybody is okay.
My dear, things have not been okay for me. You understand? Ever since we entered this new church.
Why are you
things have
sounding
not
this
been
way?
okay. Things have been very, very strong, difficult for me. You understand?
Why?
I don't feel happy anymore.
Come on, babe. I have told you to follow me to the city, but you refused. Will I force you? Huh? Will I force you? I won't force you now. Come on, you need to wise up, man. I've told you to follow me to the city so that you go there and see what other girls are saying and make yourself a very good big money. But you refuse to follow me. What do you want me to do? Now tell me.
I have some farmland which I'm supposed to complete. And the way I'm saying things, babe, you will not understand unless I explain to you. I want to go to school. I want to go to school.
What?
I don't want to be an illiterate. I want to go to school.
Mercy.
Yes,
Listen,
I want to go to school.
It's high time you stop doing like a child. I want you to please go and pack your things and follow me. Let's go back to the city because I'm going back next
So I
tomorrow.
want to go to school.
And I wouldn't
Forget
want to
about
leave
this
you
city
behind.
of a thing.
Please.
I want to go to school.
I want you to come up. That is where you will see clean guys. Clean guys CGA go. In the city. Not all this. Oh man, babe, you need to wise up. Come, let's go. Let's go to the city.
Love it. What happened to my boyfriend? What
Which
will happen
boyfriend are
to
you
my
talking
boyfriend
about?
if I leave him and go to the city?
Forget about him. Forget about him. Let's go. You will see a clean guy that have... I can't leave him.
He's the only man that makes me happy. I don't think I can love any other
Macy,
man.
I would just want to tell you something. You need to shine your eyes. Don't allow this time to pass you by.
Okay, thank you.
Please, I want to go because I just said let me come and check you. I don't think.
Love it, you will not understand.
Hey!
You will not. Love it. Do you know that Kenneth is my source
Forget
of
that
happiness?
thing, Joe.
My
Forget.
only source of happiness. So I can't leave him.
Forget. Stop doing like a child. Forget. You need to come to the city so that you use your eye and feel things. Come on.
It's alright. You are looking so big. You are looking beautiful this time around. I know so all your body take care of you.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you. I am so flattered.
Thank you friends for watching our YouTube channel. We promise to give you more videos every week. Thank you for watching. Please do remember to subscribe. Click this red button here below. Click it and you will get the latest update from us. Thank you. Remember to share to your friends. Thank you. I love you. Bye.